What's up, guys? This is Kenny FS, and I want to share with you another trade that I took yesterday. This trade is also a counter trading opportunity, but it's not really good to go against the trend of the market. But if, like I said the other time, if you know what you are doing and then you know your strategy, you can be smart enough to capitalize on that trade that is reversing back to your 1 hour or 4 hour demand or supply. So I saw another opportunity like that yesterday, so I capitalized on it, and trust me when I say. So I'm just going to share with you the outcome of the market and the confluences I saw before taking the trade and the reasons behind them. So first of all, this is on volatility 50, and then this trade, already this trade is an uptrend. I just want to show the outcome of the trade, not the whole analysis of this trade. So this is what made me take the trade. Since market is an uptrend, and as you can see, market on this line, your market has broken the higher time frame, giving us a break of structure after a market structure shift. So I marked my 1 hour demand zone, although this is just the first demand zone that market presented, and I normally go with the last demand zone, which is the extreme demand zone. That's what I normally trade, but this is the first demand zone. If we go to the 1 hour, you will see that there is two demand zone there, but I just marked this one because price can easily tag into this first demand zone and buy from there. But that is another video for another time. So immediately I saw that okay, there is a break of structure already, and then I came to the 15-minute time frame to look if I will see a counter trading opportunity. But already I know that counter trading is not good, but I just want to do it anyway because I already understand some part of my strategy. I won't say I understand the full strategy 80%, but at least I understand it 40%. So let me just explain more. So the reason of this trade is I saw a break of structure and then a market structure shift. This is a internal market structure shift. This is an internal market structure shift, signifying that okay, there is market is trying to reverse and go back to that 1 hour demand zone before continuing the main direction of the market. So after I saw a break of structure to the upside and then a market structure shift, signifying that okay, change of character has occurred, but this change of character that has occurred does not have the power to change the whole direction of the market. So it just changes the reversal pattern. You know that market is if you want to see an uptrend, you will see a long buy, short sell, long buy, short sell. But that will be another video for another time. I'm just explaining the concept of this trade and the outcome. So after I saw this market structure shift, I waited for another break of structure, follow the market structure shift to give me a confirmation of 2 swing high and 2 swing low before I can capitalize on it. So what I notice here is that this is this level after market give us a market structure shift. You can see that market easily come back to mitigate this demand level here and then sell down to give us a break of structure here. So this is the other break of structure. Then after market give us this recent break of structure, as you can see, oh okay, that was a mistake. So after this market give us this break of structure here, I'm now looking for this demand zone, this supply zone that caused the break of structure, the origin that caused that break of structure, and this is the only unmitigated origin, the valid origin that caused this break of structure here. So when market came back to this level, I saw this level here, a level I should buy from, but I'm not really interested in trading this level because my confirmation has not yet occurred. So no reason for me to jump in the chart. So I just let it go and then wait for my confirmation, which is a market structure shift and a break of structure. So this is the break of structure here, and then this is the demand zone that caused the break of structure. So I set a limit order here, waiting for price to come back and tag me in, and the market even gave me another extra confluence, is giving me a IDM level, which is a level that my price will come to sweep out before the selling will continue. So When market came back, come to this level, there are other mistake that I did here that I would like to correct myself on. So those mistake are, when the market came here, I was so skeptical to take the trade here. So I was thinking if market, because it's an a down trade, so I was like, I'm having that fear of missing out the trade because my laptop is not with me. So I just quickly go in. So I take this here at this level here, which is not supposed to be so. I took the sell here, which is not supposed to be so. I should have waited for this market to come and tag me in before the sell will continue. But I entered too early, and then it really affects me a lot because I supposed to make 1:2 of this trade, but instead of that, I closed out at almost 1:1. So I will explain that also. So once market come back, it tagged me in, tagged my demands, which I analyze, and then my point of interest where I was expecting market to tag me in. So and then push down to my direction at 1:2. It moved to 1:2, but there is a problem. My own rule, I have a rule that I'm following. I'm not just trading, taking any trade. I have rules that are guiding my trade. Number one of the rules is target 1:3 arrow. 1:3 arrow, nothing more, nothing less. If you check all my trades are 1:3, 1:3. So I'm targeting 1:3, and then I normally move from stop loss to break even at 1:1. Stop loss to break even at 1:1. Then I move from break even to 1:1 when market is giving me 1:2. So that's how I normally do my trading stuff. And even moving from break even to 1:2, I need to see something else before I move. I don't just move anyhow. So when market tag me in, at this level, if you can see the digit there, you say 1:2.23. So I already move at 1:1. I already moved to break even, securing my loss. So I know that even if this, and again, this market is, I'm trading against the trend of the market, so I need to be more smarter and then more cautious about my capital. I need to keep my capital. So I moved to break even at 1:1, and then I was trading risk-free trade. So when the market gave me 1:2, I quickly moved to secure some profit. But before I did that, I normally go to the lower time, like 5 minutes. But if I saw it on the 15 minutes, it's okay. I can also move it there. So this is a break of structure. This is a sub break of structure. I call this sub break of structure because it's a internal break of structure. So although this direction I'm following, this sell that I'm doing is already an internal sell. So anything I'm doing inside is a sub to that internal sell. So this break of structure here, once I saw a break of structure, if market is going in my direction and then give me a break of structure, I quickly move my stop loss to the high that give me that break of structure, because I already know that okay, there's no need market to break down my break of structure. If market break this break of structure, if market give me a break, if this is a break of structure already and it's valid, so if market break this thing again, then the trade has already going against me. So I at 1:2, I normally move to this somewhere here, move my stop loss here if the market is going in my direction. So at 1:1, I move to break even. 1:2, I saw a break of structure first. If I did not see this break of structure, I will not move my stop loss. I will just be trailing it small. But if I saw a break of structure, then I'll move to that high or the low of that break of structure. So that's what I did here. Then expecting another break of structure to occur, then I will move my stop loss a bit again. But market did not go as planned. Market did not go as planned. So market just come back, hit me out on stop loss, on trailing stop loss, which is at 1:1. But based on I entered too early, I did not get that complete 1:1. I get like 1 is to 1.8 or 1 is to 1.7, something like that. So that is it. But later on, market come back, hit, even though I did not trade my stop, the market will still hit me out on break even. So I just consider this trade as a break even trade, even if I still secure some profit, but I consider it as a break even trade. So this was it. A market come back to my entry point, push down, come back again, then tap the 15-minute supply zone, sweep the liquidity above it, boom, straight to my take profit, and then tap the 1 hour, then tap the 1 hour demand zone. So now what I'm expecting, I don't expect this demand zone to hold. This demand zone will push market back to this level here. This demand zone here, this 1 hour demand zone will push market back to this 15-minute supply zone, and then market will sell. The next selling momentum that is coming will break this 1 hour demand zone, because there is another extreme demand zone at the bottom. So, and I'm not trading the first demand zone, I'm trading only extreme demand or supply zone. That's my other rules. So I have a couple of rules that I'm following, guiding my trading. And also there is something else I want to do. I want to give myself a target trading demo account, a target, and I'll be journaling, recording, posting all the trade and the setup on my YouTube and my TikTok, so that I will know how I got my entries and the rest, because there are some things that I'm having issue on. So I will just try to work on them, and then so the rule is I will try to take a $10,000 demo account, and then make 10% of that account. If I could able to make 10% of that $10,000 account, then I will fund a live account of, let's say, $300 or $200. Then I will trade that 200 exactly the way I trade that Profem account. So the challenge has already begun. This is the third trade of the challenge. So I'm just putting it out here to form of document the whole journey of that trade. So let's see how it goes. And the rules of that trade is risk only 2%, and I will just walk around the rules, write them down. Maybe in my next video I will jot the whole rules down. So that is just it. And then thank you if you stay to this stage. Please, if you like content like this, please try and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let the young shall grow, but if you don't support the young, there's no growth for us. Thank you. Peace out.